Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with COMDLG32.ocx. So how we can fix it? So for fixing it you just need to download this file from internet, so let's write it. Here you can see COMDLL32 and just write download. So now we just need to click all and just download it. Just click here to download this file. I successfully already downloaded. Here you can see it. So after we download this file, in our we open our file manager and just go to downloads, and so go to downloads. Found our file. So here it is. Just right click on it and just copy. So now we need to go to our local disk C, Windows, and here System32. Just right click on it and choose paste. So I also paste here this file, so I choose replace the file in the destination. So just click continue, and here you can see that we successfully paste our file. So now we just need to go to our terminal, so let's open it. CMD. Just right click on it and choose run as administrator. Yes. And now we just need to enter one command. So just I will paste it because I successfully copied it, but you need to enter it as I enter. So now I just need to paste this file as this command. So here you can see what you need to enter. It's rec-cvr32 and your path to your file we successfully paste. So it's C column /Windows /System32 /COMDLG32.ocx and just click enter. So after that you successfully see DLL register server in C column /Windows System32 COMDLG32 OSX success. So just click OK and just write exit. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.